Hey, if you have the update problem on your YouTube mobile application on Android device, let me show you how we can fix this. So you are probably updating the YouTube in the Play Store, right? So if it doesn't work from here, I can recommend you to get the download and the update by going to the Google Chrome browser. So you have to open the browser like this, open the new tab and type YouTube APK file download. So you can open the APK mirror website up to down, or for example the APK pure. It doesn't actually matter. These websites are legit. You don't have to worry about any viruses or something like this. I'm honestly using the APK pure, and that's the YouTube application. And when you scroll down, you can actually see that you can find some other version of the YouTube. So you've got actually access to all a new version, to previous version, so you can download anything that you want. Let's say that I want to get this one, and so I have to click on the download button. Now I have to scroll down, and here I can click to download APK file. When you click on it like this, you will see this notification that it might be harmful, but you have to click to download anyway. And sometimes you will also have information about the installation stuff from the unknown sources, so you will have to basically move into the settings and accept permission to Google Chrome to install app from the unknown sources. And when you download it, you have to click on this file just like this and then click to update. Now just wait for the installation process, and that's actually one of the methods to get update on your YouTube app. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.